Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the notice mode of the pages and the keypad. It has two notice mode, the vibration, flash, and the voice. In the mute function, it only vibration and flash, there is no sound. So now let's change it. Okay, this is the key for the notice, and press this one, and if it's in the 999, okay, at this moment there will be in the mute mode, so let's check it. I will remove one. Now you can see there's no sound after you remove the pager, which means the notice mode has no sound as well. But let's check this. Go to the call mode and 35. Now you can see there's no sound, only vibration and the flash. Okay. And if you want to use the sound, and you can press this key and 000, press call, and it will works. Now let's check it again. In the call mode, now you can see sound, vibration, and flash. Okay. Now you can see there's sound about this transmitter, how to turn off the sound of the transmitter. Use this one and 998 and press call. Now you can see no matter which you press, there's no sound. But if you want the sound of this transmitter, press this one and 997. Press this one. Okay, it works. So it works, right? So it's very easy to operate. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@retekess.com. And also feel free to visit our website www.retekess.com for more products. Thank you.